me zoom in. Okay. Arkham Knight comes this way. But he sometimes comes... Then actually comes back to this way. Here. So if he come... Okay. Arkham Knight comes this way. If I let him see me, I can let him see me to lure him over to this explosive. Then the next time I get if I get him, then we'll lure him to this explosive. When I get him the third time, if I get him the third time, I'm gonna lure him to this explosive. But if he ends up going this way, going this way, I'm gonna lure him to this one. No wait. If he goes this way, I'm gonna lure him to this one. Okay, let's try this out. No! Look, he's about to come this way.
Face me, coward! You're not getting away!
Are you, Arkham Knight? I'm not moving until he sees me. See, he's
Where
down there.
are you? You won't hide from me!
Oh, he's
Die!
going
I'll crush you! This is it, Batman! Fight me!
Here we go.
It's over!
Okay, they got him.
Stop this, Knight. Everything is in hand. We're done, Crane. I owe him. We had a plan. He is going to suffer. He is going to die. You can't stop me. You're gonna die down here. Forgotten.
I'm gonna take him this way.
In the dirt. I'll find you, Batman.
He's going in this middle section.
Stop hiding! You're mine! You won't get away! It's over!
Got it. It's the last time.
Scarecrow's right. The world should see you for the worthless thing you are. But I already know. And I'm not waiting anymore.
Okay, I'm gonna get to that last one. I got to get to that last one. Where's he
You
at?
can't hide down here!
Where's he at? I'm not hiding.
Come out here!
I'm not hiding. He's coming that way.
Face me!
Coming that way.
You can't
I'm gonna let him see me. Oh, he's going.
There! Fight me! I'll crush you! You can't escape! Sir, I've remotely disabled the door lock. Might I
That
suggest
plan
you leave?
works perfectly. Let's go. Let's go.